Today I'm going to teach you how to make your sprite move with arrow keys. First, you make a new project for it to load. Then you can pick the character, or either stay with this cat or get a new character from this block, from this thingy. Just press it and then you can pick any character. Maybe you can want to draw a character, you can draw it. So I'm just gonna stay with this cat and I will teach you how to make it move with arrow keys. This is very useful if you are gonna make a maze game or something where you have to move around. So first thing you do is you put a when green flag clicked, because all the code below will happen when the green flag is clicked. Right now when you click it, nothing happens because there is nothing over here. So when green flag clicked, forever block, because the thing that we're going to put inside here is going to happen forever. If something then, so if this thing inside there, if you do it, like if it's a key, it's going to do whatever is inside here. So we're going to do if key right arrow pressed, change X by 10. Save it. And now, see, it's moving like that. Now we want to do the other keys. You do exact the same thing, just change it a tiny bit. Now you do if left arrow key pressed, it's change X by -10. It's -10 because 10 is into the right and -10 is to the left. Now let's see if it works. Cool. Now our sprite moves like that. Now we want to move up and down. The same, get a key up arrow pressed. And this part is a tiny bit different because you're not doing change X, you do change Y. Change Y by 10, which means it goes up. Save it. Move like that. And now also moves up. And now you'll do down. Key down arrow pressed. We will do change Y by -10. Now the sprite can move everywhere. If you want him to start at one position, like say for example in the middle, so if he goes off screen he always starts in the middle, just get this go to X and Y block, put it to 0 and 0. So now, no matter what, it always starts there. So if I go here, then pause it, it always starts there. Thanks for listening. I'll soon be making more tutorials.